Hey future doctors, big update from medical counseling committee. The Stray Vacancy Round for NEET UG Counselling 2025 has officially begun. If you are still chasing the MBBS or BDS seat, this might be your final shot. Let's break it down. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, and it says that candidates will be able to apply for MBBS BDS admissions on mcc.nic.in by November 9. Okay, people? So, people, today is November 4. MCC has opened registration for the Stray Vacancy Round. This is the last leg of the All India Quota Counselling for MBBS and BDS seats. The deadline to register, it's November 9, so don't just wait. It's over here written. That is what I have actually summarized to you people. Dear ones, candidates who registered during the third round of NEET UG counselling and did not get any seat or didn't report to the allotted seat, they are not required to register again. Those applying for the first time in this round will have to pay the registration fee and exercise fresh choices of colleges and the courses. So you can apply if, number one, you did not register for the Stray round earlier. You were allotted a seat in round 3 but did not report. You are not currently holding any seat. But if you already joined a seat, you are out of this particular round. Let me talk about the key dates and the process. And here's your roadmap. Talking about registration and payment, November 5 till November 9, and it will be till 3 p.m. Talking about choice filling and locking, November 4 to November 9, locking from 4 p.m. to 11:55 p.m. on November 9. Third, seat allotment, November 10 to November 11. Fourth, result announcement, November 12. Reporting to the college, November 13 to November 20. So, lock your choices carefully. This is your last chance. Over here, we have mentioned the dates also. You can just actually scroll down through the news article that's been published by Careers 360 people. Now, let me talk about one more thing. You need to head over to mcc.nic.in, as I already said. Click on UG Medical Counselling and follow the steps to register. If you are applying for the very first time in this round, you will need to pay the registration fee and fill the fresh choices. This is it, the final lap of NEET UG 2025 counselling. Stay focused, double check your choices and don't miss the deadlines. Your dream college could be just a click away. Dear ones, like, share and subscribe for NEET updates. Drop your questions in the comments. We are here to help you out.